Hello folks, welcome back. Now we're going to talk about modifiers. What exactly are the modifiers? Modifiers is usually is the access which is given to specific method, or it could be given to any specific constructor, or it could be any class or variable. So let's get into that. So there are four types of types of uh, modifiers. So I'm gonna show you the four types of modifiers. Let's just use this as a notepad as well. Okay, so these are the types of modifiers. So there are public modifiers, so which is going to be which are accessible in the package. They can be accessible in the subclass. They can be accessible outside the subclass and packages as well. Whereas protected are in the package and subclasses of the package. So this is about protected and default. In case if we do not give any modifier, so what is the default behavior? Usually it behaves pretty much like protected, but the only is it is going to be accessible to everything in the package, not the subclasses. So if the private is something that is not going to be accessible to the package, not going to be accessible to the subclass and to rest of the project as well. But it is only going to be specifically to the class itself. So let's get to it. Let's say we have, we say, uh, let's let's have public. Yeah, public, like it's gonna be all throughout. Let's have the private. Private is the only one that we should be really concerned about. So private, let's say private string, uh, private string car name. Car name is what? Ultima. So now we can see this is a private, and we also know like this cannot be accessed over here. So let's see if we can access this over here or not. So over here, this is a object that we created. Dot. So we can see like we cannot see it. We do see marks. We do see size of the fish as well, but we are not able to see the name of the car. So it is not accessible in any other class. So whereas, let's get back to the type. Similarly, let's say if we do the protected one, so obviously it's going to be in the package and in the class, and the public is going to be all throughout. So I don't think so we have to invest too much time in it. The only difference is over here. Let's say this is one package and there is another package like hello package hello1, and there are classes in that package. The default variables or constructors or methods are not going to be allowed in that specific package. So that's about it for modifiers. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.